All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says solve for x. You must show each step of your process. Okay, we can handle this. Let's go. So we're looking for this x. Okay, but this x is locked up in this fraction. So we're going to let that rest for a second. And we're going to take care of this constant here first. So the way we take care of this constant is we need to move it to the other side. But we don't like just pick it up and move it. What we actually do is we undo it over here and then do the same thing over here. So what is the opposite of plus 7? Well, the opposite of plus 7 is minus 7. And that will make that go away. But because we are always working to balance our equation, if I did negative 7 over here, I must do negative 7 over there. Okay? And so that would go away, and I'd be left with 2x over 10 is equal to 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. All right, and we're well on our way. So now, remember, my goal here is to get x all by itself. And I can't get x all by itself right now because at this moment, it's actually being divided by a 10. So what is the opposite of being divided by 10? Well, that is multiplying by 10. So I'm going to multiply each side by 10. Now this 10 that I'm multiplying by, I'm actually going to write as 10 over 1. And that is A-OK, right? Because any number we can write over 1 is the same thing. So 10 over 1, that's the same as 10. So then we multiply across, or you can just cancel it as you like. So these 10s do cancel. And we would be left with 2x over 1, which is the same as 2x equals 60. Okay, now we're almost there. We almost got this x all by itself, but now it's being multiplied by a 2. Well, what's the opposite of being multiplied by 2? Divide by 2. So now we divide by 2, and we do it to both sides because we always try to keep it balanced. So that goes away, and we get x is 30. Now you should be proud of this work you just did, and I know you want to frame it up and show the world, but before you do that, we should take this and substitute it back in to check our work and make sure we did everything right. So I'm going to rewrite this up here. I'm going to say 2. But instead of x, because here I said, you know what, x is 30. So instead of writing x, I'm allowed to just write 30 divided by 10 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, let's do this quick check. And this is the beauty of algebra, is that in most cases you can check your answer, and you should know right away if you got the question correct or not correct. So 2 times 30 is 60. So now I have 60 over 10 plus 7. 60 divided by 10 is 6. So I have 6 plus 7 is 13. And there we go, 6 plus 7, so it gets to 13 is 13. Well, ask yourself, hey, is 13 13? Yeah, it is. So your answer checks out. You know you did good work. You should be proud of yourself. Frame that beautiful answer and tell yourself, good job. All right. As always, if you want to be alerted when I make new practice problems just for you, go ahead and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to practice or anything you want to see or any questions you want me to make, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to make those just for you. Thanks. Bye.